No, I got it. Don't stop smiling.
I'm not going there.
We're all stoned.
She better not go on the other side. She hung up on me really fast.
You said the front, didn't you?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
did.
okay.
What side? That side?
Yeah, the smoke's outside. I hope not, 'cause it's dark on that side.
What if she comes from that way?
Here she comes. Dude, I slept all freaking day, bro.
What?
All freaking day I slept.
Did you really?
Yeah, for like 5 hours.
Oh my god! No! Oh my god! 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 It's worse than I thought. I just got off of work.
I went and picked her up.
Oh my god. Oh.